Look, I think congratulations to the opposition. They gave us a very good game. Very intense, very aggressive, and you could see they were fired up. And so congratulations to them and to the coach. Congratulations to Wydad, the entire club. We still are very far from our full potential and our full capacity, but of course every win matters because it gives good confidence to the players and also gives confidence to our supporters. Our supporters are amazing. You know, the Wydad fans are the best I have ever worked for, and how they keep singing and encouraging their team. They deserve so much happiness, and we're gonna try every single match to make them happy. You know, we'll do everything that we can to bring the glory days back to this incredible football club. Some very, very promising youngsters. Some we didn't get the opportunity to see, like the 16-year-old Benani. But there's some good kids. Mahdawi did well. Omar in goals was very good, comfortable. You know, he's got a bright future. But yeah, of course, we have to work a little bit harder on these kids and try to help them to learn a new way of playing. And sometimes it's not easy. The type of tournaments, they are good for not only for the young players to get exposure and to be known by the Wydad fans. And so they introduce themselves to the family, which is very, very good. And but also, you know, you have to try to use it to give some form of minutes to some of the senior players. You know, the players like Tariani who haven't played much, and Pushta who I thought were good, Munir, and Habash is doing well. You know, he's got a lot of stress because I'm changing his position. And I thought he did well today. You know, he will adapt to that, and there's a style of play that I want. And so I thought he was good, and I thought the tournament gives us a lot of possibilities, not just to introduce the youngsters, but also to keep the match fitness of some of the fast track the introduction and integration of some of the senior players. I'm at a loss for words. The love and the warmth and the sense of the appreciation from the Moroccan people towards me it brings me very close to tears, I must tell you. And
جاتو البكاء هذيك اللقطه جاتو البكاء